Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. And let's pick something out of this album to scrapbook. So I am going to tell you guys, I'm not feeling particularly arty right now. I just got out of a bubble bath and I feel relaxed and just so de-stressed right now that I'm not feeling all that creative. I probably should have scrapbooked before I took a bubble bath to do this. Here we go. Let's do a 6x12 with my cheaty photo here. Okay, so I've got my photo. We know it's going to be a 6x12, so let's see what I can do. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to talk through this one. So I'm going to cut this paper down to 6x12, obviously. And I've got this right here, and I am in this back corner right here. And of course my photo isn't exactly 6 inches. Love that for us. Love that for us. So what I think I'm gonna do is create a couple 4x6 things, shapes. We're gonna do a couple 4x6 things, guys, because you know, that seems to be. Oh, I kind of love this. All right, I might go in a whole different direction here, because not gonna lie, I kind of love this road bit right here. I feel like the car should be going up. You know what? I might just make this, like, build it like this. I think I'm going to do that. We might trim this down just a little bit though. And I don't know about this color anymore. Let's trim it down just a little bit. Yeah, I don't know about this color anymore. Do we want to change it? That is the question. Let's see what little bits I have, because we might change this out. No, not really feeling that. Well, I think, you know what? I think we're gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay. So that definitely needs to happen. Put this down here. So yes, the page will be this way in the album, but I am going to decorate it this way. And I think that that's perfectly fine, right? Like, I don't think this is going to ruin anybody's life. And if it does, like, you got problems. Know what I'm saying? All right, so we'll go ahead and put that there. Okay, trim that down. now, let us decorate. Right? So what we need is decoration. So, I'll put that there. Then we will get one of these bad boys and put that over top. Okay. Now we need a little bit of decoration. I think hold fast is pretty appropriate. And then I'm going to pull out these because this has got a little car on it. I'm going to put that there. There's also a go. Maybe like this, the car on there and the go. Okay, kind of like that. Now, is there anything else I want to add on to here? I'm just gonna give a little look-see. This could be a road sign or a police badge, but I don't think that it is going to work on that. Let's see if there's anything else I want to add. Nope, not gonna put that there. I think what I will do is just call that good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys again real soon for another video.